Hello friends, welcome to SILS Chemistry. In the last session of the JEE NEET and the competitive exams, we understood about the various concentration parameters of the solution, and in today's session we are continuing with the same point to understand the various concentration and to find out the important relationship between the several concentrations which are very important for the JEE NEET examination, and they are very important for the solving the such kind of MCQs very fastly. So let us start with the today's session number 2, JEE NEET. Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn about the several more concentration units, and we will connect them with each other so we can find out the several answers very quickly and very easily. So in JEE exam and NEET exam, it is very important to save the time and to manage the time effectively. So let us start today's session and to make it more clear. So in today's session, we have to understand several units like molality, normality and formality. So we start with the very first unit, that is molarity. So molality is what? Molality is defined as the number of moles of solute. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. So dear friends, it is a very famous unit. If you write the formula will be number of moles of the solute and divided by the number of kilogram of the solvent. Solute here can be written as a W2 upon M2, where W2 is the molar mass of the solute and M2 is the molar mass of the solute. W2 is the mass of the solute. 1000 is added because 1000 will convert the kilogram of the solvent into the gram of the solvent. So W1 is the gram of the solvent, and the unit of this particular formula molality will be mole per kilogram. So it is very important formula, and you need to remember this is a solvent in the denominator and not the solution. Several important notes we have to consider. Notice that it is the most convenient method to express concentration. Why? Because it is independent of temperature, and temperature impact will not come into the account when we are calculating molarity, because molarity includes only weight and it does not include volumes. So there is no effect of temperature on masses, and there will be effect of temperature on the volume. So we can say that molarity is more convenient over the molarity in this particular respect where temperature dependency comes. Now friends, इस चैप्टर में अगर मोलारिटी को अगर समझा जाए तो मैंने कुछ यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम के तौर पे दिए हैं, जिसको हम पहले समझ लेते हैं. यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट द मोलारिटी ऑफ 40 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl. इट इज़ रिटन दैट 40 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl डिजॉल्व इन टू 50 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. सो एज़ पर द फार्मूला, अगर हम फार्मूला यहाँ पे ऐड करें कि मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू W2 अपॉन M2 into 1000 upon W1. So W2 is given molar mass of the W2 is given the weight of the NaCl, so it is a 40 upon molar mass of sodium chloride. Sodium is 23 and chlorine is 35.5 into 1000, and gram of the solvent gram is given to 50 gram water. So we can add these and we can get the answer. So this is how you can calculate the molarity, and similarly some more examples are also given, so which you can practice to get the molarity concept done. Now going to the next page to understand some more important concentrations. Now this is molarity. Molarity is also called as molar concentration, and its symbol is capital M. It is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter or per dm cube of the solution. Remember friends, liter और dm cube are the synonymous to each other. वो एक दूसरे के synonymous है. एक लीटर बोल दे या तो एक डीएम क्यूब बोल दे, वो सेम ही होता है. तो how many moles are present in 1 liter of the solution is called as molarity, and the formula will be, molarity formula will be number of moles of solute upon volume of the solution in liter. So if you decode this formula, it will be W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon volume in ml of the solution. As we keep 1000 in the numerator, so it will become volume in the ml. Now the unit will be the mole per liter, so we have to consider mole per liter unit. Several important note points. 1 liter is called as 1 dm cube. Smaller unit of dm cube is called as centimeter cube. And 1 centimeter cube, remember for your reference, 1 centimeter cube is also called as 1 ml, and 1 ml and 1 centimeter cube note is also given here. So molarity is very simplest unit, and in class 11 you are learning the molarity and kind of numericals very well. So let us go to the our next point and next page. Now we will understand normality. Normality is called as capital N. It is defined as the number of the grams of gram equivalent of solute present per liter of solution. So dear friends, we need to put gram equivalents, number of gram equivalents per liter of solution. So the formula will become number of gram equivalents of solute upon the liter of the solution, per liter of the solution. And अगर हम इसको डिकोड करें तो W2 upon E2, where E2 stands for the equivalent weight of the solute, which can be calculated by using the n factor value for different types of compound. The n factor value will be different. So W2 upon E2 into 1000 upon V ml of solution, as like we did in the previous case. Several important note points for the normality we need to consider, and they are the equivalent mass can be calculated by the taking ratio of molar mass of the substance and the n factor of that particular substance. So for the more detail about the n factor, you can watch our YouTube channel videos, where n factor of different substances are given in different videos, so you get more clear about the n factor. Acids, bases and salts have different methods to calculate the n factor. Normality and molarity are volume based units, and therefore they are varying according to the temperature, so they are temperature dependent units. And normality is also represented by several other ways, which is given here, जो आपको याद रखना है. If it is given 1 normal, so it is called as normal solution. माने कि normality of solution is 1 normal. If it is given n by 2 or 0.5, it is called as semi-normal. If it is given n by 10 or 0.1, it is called as deci-normal. If it is given by n by 100 or 0.01, it is called as centi-normal. Or if it is given as n upon 1000 or 0.001 normal, so it is called as milli-normal. So this terminology you are going to apply in our future sessions. So remember this terminology: semi mane n by 2, deci mane n by 10, centi mane n by 100, and milli mane n by 1000. And the same kind of unit can be put for the molarity. So if it is m by 2, we can say semi-molar, decimolar, similarly centimolar and millimolar solution we can prepare. Now let us go to the next page. हम next page पे हमारा जो last unit है वो formality वो पढ़ने वाले. And what is formality? Formality is defined as the number of formula mass in gram present per liter of solution. So what is formula mass? When we can calculate the mass according to the atomic masses of the empirical formula, it is called as formula mass. So what is the formula? Number of formula mass of the solute upon liter of the solution. So W2 upon formula mass into 1000 upon VmL of solution will be the formula, and the unit will be called as formal. So what is the difference between the molarity, normality and formality? If you say molarity, molarity requires molar mass. Normality requires normal mass, and formality requires formal mass. Normality requires normal mass, माने कि equivalent mass we need here, and molarity requires exactly molar mass, while formality requires formal mass. If you want to understand what is formal mass of the substance, you can also visit to our YouTube video of formal mass, so you will get an idea about the more concepts of the formal mass. Now coming to the next page, where we will understand several relationship between the concentrations. So it is a very important point, and they are these shortcuts to identify the numericals. अगर ये shortcuts नहीं भी होते फिर भी हम न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये शॉर्टकट्स है तो जल्दी से हम काम कर पाएंगे. सबसे पहला रिलेशन हम निकालने वाले हैं मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड मोलैलिटी के बारे में. अब मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट, फॉर एग्जांपल X2 ले लिया तो उसका मोल फ्रैक्शन हो जाएगा W2 अपॉन N2 प्लस N1. सिमिलरली मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्वेंट अगर निकाले X1 तो उसका हो जाएगा N1 अपॉन N2 प्लस N1. Now if we take ratio of X2 to X1, we will get N2 upon N1 by the simplification. हमें N2 upon N1 मिलेगा सिंप्लीफिकेशन से. N2 को हम बोलते हैं W2 upon M2 and N1 को बोलते हैं W1 upon M1. As this molar mass is a denominator to denominator, it will go as a numerator. So finally we will get as a W2 upon M2 into M1 upon W1. तो यहाँ तक हमें पहले तो समझ लेना है कि ये एक चीज़ हमें मिल गई है कि जहाँ पर हम X2 अपॉन X1 को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. नाउ वी हैव formula of molality because we want to find the relationship between this and molality. Let us write the formula of molality. Formula of molality is W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon W1. अगर हम यहाँ पे X2 upon X1, you can see that X2 upon X1 is equal to W2 upon M2 into M1 upon W1 is given. So if we take this particular part as a subject like W2 upon M2 into 1 upon W1, इतने part को अगर हम subject में ले लें, so that particular part is called as X2 upon X1 and 1 upon M1. This is the replacement for the W2 upon M2 into 1 upon W1, and this 1000 is representing the already molality, so हमने उसको वहीं पे रखा है. Now अगर ये चीज़ है गई तो मोलैलिटी और मोल फ्रैक्शन का रिलेशनशिप हमें मालूम पड़ गया कि मोलैलिटी M is equal to X2 into 1000 upon X1 into M1, where M1 is the molar mass of the solvent, and इसको finally लिखे तो molarity is equal to X2 into 1000 upon 1 minus X2 into M1. ये भी एक फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा. ये 1 minus X2 comes from, we know that X1 plus X2 is equal to 1. So if I want to make subject X1, so I can write 1 minus X2 and that exactly replace over here in place of X1. So ये एक फॉर्मूला जो रेडी हो चुकी है वो आपको डायरेक्ट रिलेशन देता है. अगर आपके पास मोलालिटी है, अगर आपके पास मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट है, तो आप इजीली मोलर मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट या तो उसको कनेक्ट कर पाओगे और आपकी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर पाओगे. So it is a very important formula and you need to remember this formula very well. Now coming to the another relationship between the molarity and the percentage by mass W by W. Now dear friends, we know the formula of the molarity. Molarity is mole per liter and percentage W by W is called as mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. नाउ इस फॉर्मूलाज को हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है तो हमने लिख लिया है. नाउ इन दिस मोलैरिटी फार्मूला लेट अस मेक सम ट्विस्ट. इन द मोलैरिटी फार्मूला W2 अपॉन M2 इंटू 1000 अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन अपॉन डेंसिटी आप लिख सकते हो. वी नो दैट वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन डेंसिटी. सो ये जो वॉल्यूम यहाँ पे ml सॉल्यूशन मेंशन्ड है उसको आप मास ऑफ दैट सॉल्यूशन अपॉन डेंसिटी इस फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से मेंशन कर सकते हो. मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन अपॉन डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी विल गो एज अ न्यूमरेटर इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सो डेंसिटी को हमने ऊपर ले लिया है. सो इट विल बिकम W2 अपॉन M2 into 1000 upon mass of solution. Density will go here. Now we already know that W2 upon M2 into 100 is called as percentage W by W. So W2 upon mass of the solution into 100 is called as percentage W by W. So ये जो वैल्यू है हमने यहाँ पे रिप्लेस कर दी है. Then after we left with 10 and we left with the multiplication of density and it is divided by molar mass. So this is how you can convert the value. This W2 upon mass of solution in 200 is called as percentage W by W and molar mass will be there in the final formula. So final formula में molar mass रहेगा. So finally you will be having molarity is equal to the percentage W by W into density into 10 upon molecular mass of the solute for which the solution is prepared. And you can also mention that D is equal to density, M2 is equal to molar mass of solute and M is equal to molarity. Dear friends, ये फॉर्मूला भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब आपको मोलारिटी ढूंढनी होगी और परसेंटेज W by W गिवन होगा तो आप डेंसिटी का इस्तेमाल तो करने वाले हो, लेकिन अगर डेंसिटी गिवन है तो आप डायरेक्टली ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके इसको इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ मोलरिटी इज इक्वल टू परसेंटेज W by W इंटू डेंसिटी इंटू 10 अपॉन मोलर मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूट. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट रिलेशनशिप. नेक्स्ट रिलेशनशिप इज मोलारिटी रिलेशनशिप. सो मोलारिटी ऑफ डाइल्यूशन वी कॉल. What is that? When a solvent is added to the existing solution which is having a particular molarity. एक solution है जिसके अंदर ऑलरेडी एक molarity बनी हुई है, उसके अंदर आप solvent ऐड करोगे तो नया जो solution बनेगा, नया जो solution डेवलप हो गया उसका वॉल्यूम बढ़ गया है and therefore molarity will get reduced. So after dilution the formula to obtain the change molarity is M1V1 is equal to M2V2, where M1 is the before dilution molarity, V1 is the before dilution volume. You are looking for new molarity, so this will be a subject of the question and V2 will be the volume after the dilution. So this is how you can solve molarity of dilution problems, and they are very important JEE NEET favorite questions. So ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को हमेशा JEE नीट एग्जामिनेशन में पूछते रहते हैं. सो यू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट्स. नाउ मोलारिटी ऑफ मिक्सिंग, व्हाट इज दैट? व्हेन इफ टू सॉल्यूशंस हैविंग डिफरेंट मोलारिटी बट द सेम सॉल्यूट, उनके सॉल्यूट सेम होने चाहिए. जैसे HCl है, यहाँ पे भी HCl है, तो दोनों सॉल्यूशन के अंदर HCl भरा हुआ है, लेकिन उनकी मोलरिटी अलग अलग है और उनको आप मिक्स कर रहे हो. एंड व्हेन यू आर मिक्सिंग देम टुगेदर द रिजल्टेंट, जो नया कुछ सॉल्यूशन बन गया उसकी मोलरिटी आपको ढूंढनी है. तो दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला वेयर यू कैन से M1V1 एक सॉल्यूशन है, M2V2 एक दूसरा सॉल्यूशन है और M3V3 एक तीसरा सॉल्यूशन है. इन दिनों को ऐड कर लेंगे तो वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा V1 + V2 + V3 नए सॉल्यूशन के अंदर, और ये जो MR है वो रिजल्टेंट मोलारिटी हो जाएगी. सो MR विल बी द रिजल्टेंट मोलारिटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन एंड दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला बाय विच यू कैन से सॉल्व मोलारिटी ऑफ मिक्सिंग न्यूमेरिकल. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यू कैन से JEE NEET फेवरेट क्वेश्चन. ऐसे क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा बहुत ट्विस्ट करके JEE NEET में पूछ लेते हैं और उसको हम आगे भी सॉल्व करके पढ़ने वाले हैं. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द मोलारिटी एंड द मोलालिटी. ये फॉर्मूला आप याद रख लीजिए मोलारिटी एंड मोलारिटी के बारे में. 1/m, स्मॉल m stands for the molarity, is equal to density upon molarity minus molecular mass of the solute upon 1000. So remember this formula where small m stands for the molality, capital M stands for the molarity, D stands for the density, and M2 stands for the molar mass of the solute. So this is how you can also convert molality to molarity or molarity to molarity by taking help of density. Now our next relationship is that normality and molarity, and it is also very famous relationship where we can derive this relationship. This is how मोलारिटी की फॉर्मूला ये हो जाएगी W2 अपॉन M2 इंटू 1000 अपॉन VmL. नॉर्मलिटी की फॉर्मूला ये हो जाएगी W2 अपॉन E2 इंटू 1000 अपॉन VmL. अगर देखा जाए कि तो इनका ये पोर्शन बिल्कुल सेम है. You can see the same portion is available. The only difference is that M2 and E2. So what is that? Normality is equal to W2 upon M2 into n factor. अगर आपको E2 को डिकोड करना है तो E2 को डिकोड करने का तरीका है M2 upon n factor into 1000 upon VmL. Now this n factor, if simplified, it will multiply to the particular values, and this value, once it is left, it is called as molarity. W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon VmL is called as molarity, and n factor will be there, which is multiplied to the molarity to obtain normality. सो नॉर्मलिटी अगर आपको n फैक्टर मालूम है तो नॉर्मलिटी से आप मोलारिटी इजीली निकाल सकते हो और मोलारिटी से नॉर्मलिटी निकाल सकते हो. इसके लिए भी टॉपिक वाइज वीडियो अवेलेबल है हमारे चैनल पे, तो आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें और वहाँ से जाके आप इसको n फैक्टर कैसे निकालते हैं वो समझ लीजिए, ताकि आपके कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे क्लियर हो जाए. डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये सारे रिलेशनशिप्स जो थे वो आपको अच्छे से तैयार करने हैं. हमारे नेक्स्ट सेशन से हम न्यूमेरिकल स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. तो आई होप कि आपने ये सेशन अच्छे से समझ लिया है और सारे रिलेशनशिप समझ लिए. इसको अच्छे से एक नोटबुक में कॉपी कर लीजिए और अच्छे से उसको प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. ये था फॉर्मूला सेक्शन, कंसंट्रेशन फॉर्मूला सेक्शन. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेरी यूनिक न्यूमेरिकल्स फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट सेशन. So keep watching our JEE NEET sessions that will help you a lot in the cracking the JEE and NEET examinations and other competitive examination as well. So we are available on the YouTube. Our special channel is SIDS Chemistry. You just subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more updates and more videos available for the channel. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you understand every point. Thank you. We love to educate.